So growing up in Jamaica, there's the Chinese population here. They're kind of segregated, and then Esther being of both worlds, being half and half. I don't have that connection to the Chinese that are directly from China. So basically, I have to research, and when I went to do my MFA, I got to go to the Confucius Institute, and then I actually got to go to China. So that was like really, really eye-opening and like important, and I can't explain how. Culture and even in Caribbean, we have different ways of remembering the person that we have lost, and this is basically my manifesto of being a grieving child and losing a parent, but a mother especially, who like a mother is somebody that can't die, don't get sick, they're strong beyond anything, they're the superwoman. I mean, to lose my mom is hard, and I'm trying to heal. And then a way, like especially even in Latino culture, is that you create little poems for the spirit or shrines of ways to remember the person so that they keep living. They're not here physically, but they're with you, and you talk to them and burn incense, and you burn, like there's in China they burned money for the spirits, and during my installation I also burned the money, and like because my mom was pretty young, so burning the money is a way to, I guess, help her, but also help me, but help her to pay her debts, like certain things that were unfinished and then she didn't get to do. But I guess it's more of the person, me finding some solace that I'm doing something. Go through the motions of trying to figure out what you should have done, could have done, and like my only solace was to turn to my art and then use that to help pull me up and help me to go through the healing process and her transition from this plane to the universe, because she's no longer my mom, but she's like the universe. She's a part of the cosmic energy now. So she's everybody's mom. She's Mother Earth, not just my mom. So I have to come to terms with that. So I use my work to help me with that process.